Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a tool that could completely change how you handle customer support. It's called Intelswift. In simple terms, Intelswift is an AI-powered support platform. It pulls all your messages into one place, lets you create custom AI agents, and helps you deliver fast, professional support without hiring a big team. First up, the unified inbox. Whether messages come from your website, Telegram, Facebook, or even WhatsApp and email on higher plans, they all show up in one dashboard. No more jumping between apps, just one clean view of every conversation. Next are the custom AI agents. You can build role-based agents, like a sales agent or support rep, in minutes. No coding required. And because they're powered by models like OpenAI and Claude, the conversations actually feel natural, not robotic. Then there's the Swift Docs knowledge base. Think of it as your company's brain. Customers can find answers anytime, and your AI agents can reference it during chats. That means fewer repetitive questions for you and faster answers for your customers. On top of that, Intelswift gives you actionable analytics. You'll see how many conversations you handle, response times, and customer trends. Plus, it connects with your tools and automates tasks, so your support runs smoothly without extra effort. Now, here's the exciting part. Most tools like this charge expensive monthly fees. But with the AppSumo lifetime deal, you pay once and own it forever. Plans start at $69, and higher tiers give you more agents, more channels, and even voice AI minutes. That's hundreds of dollars in yearly savings. So if you're ready to streamline support and stop losing customers, check out Intelswift on AppSumo. I've left my affiliate link in the description so you can grab the deal today. And remember, it's covered by AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, so you've got nothing to lose.